Remontada. See you tomorrow. When you coming, bro? My babe, hey, how did Bukayo Saka score against Real Madrid? Neve proceeds to show her this picture. He dunked it in. Saka gets the ball. Real Madrid. This is football heritage. Papa Peres watching VAR overturn Madrid's penalty after all his background works. 90 minutes at the Bernabeu is a very long time. We're Real Madrid. Remontada. Bernabeu roof is closed. He thinks he can come back. Arsenal defenders watching Madrid attempt the same things that didn't work the first 15 times. Rudiger misses next match. Bad news for Real Madrid. Rudiger will miss the semifinals. So will his teammates. He knew all along. Fair enough. Remontada.